with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering negativity.
IQOO Z8 just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate display, flagship grade processor, 64 megapixel dual camera setup, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the IQOO Z8. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. The IQOO Z8 comes in a black colored box with a carbon fiber pattern on the top. The box is similar to the regular IQOO box. When you open the box lid, you won't find the phone inside because it's already outside. Instead, you will find a transparent case, a Type-C to C cable, a user manual, a 120-watt power adapter that comes with a Type-C output, and finally a SIM ejector tool. Speaking of the design of the IQOO Z8, the phone is available in moon porcelain color, which is essentially white. The phone's appearance resembles ceramic, but it's not a ceramic, nor it is glass. It features a plastic back and the frame is also made of plastic. The back of the phone has a glossy finish, giving it a glass-like feel. On the top left, you will find a camera module which houses a 2-camera lens and LED flash. The camera module has a reflective quality, giving it a shiny appearance. While it looks metallic, it's also made of plastic. The phone's frame comes in a silver color, but it's also constructed from plastic. Despite being plastic, the phone has impressive texture that make it feel much more premium than typical plastic material. There is a plastic bracket between the frame and the screen, which might look a bit budget-oriented. The phone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, indicating that it doesn't have an AMOLED display. On the position side, it does come with the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is great for using the wired headphone and can provide a lower latency during gaming. When it comes to the IQOO Z8's display, you get a 6.64-inch IPS LCD display with a Full HD Plus resolution. Despite being an LCD, the display quality is quite impressive. It boasts a 120Hz refresh rate and can reach a maximum brightness of up to 650 nits. For selfies, there is a centrally located punch hole on the screen. You can compare OLED and LCD display here. And while there isn't a significant difference, one notably drawback of the LCD display is the relatively large chin at the bottom. Considering the price of the phone, the chin is quite acceptable. The IQOO Z8 also provides a hardware level eye protection, which is a positive feature, while theory suggested that the OLED display offers a better eye protection. Hardware level eye protection is more effective. It allows for comfortable mobile usage even in darker conditions. However, in my opinion, it's generally better to limit the mobile usage in the dark for the sake of eye protection and use it in well-lit condition whenever possible. Talking about the performance of the IQOO Z8, it's equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 octa-core processor, which is a powerful chip with a maximum clock speed of 3.1 GHz. This phone offers an outstanding performance, as evidenced by its AnTuTu score, which can go up to 971,574, nearly reaching the 1 million mark. In a 20 mark 3D mark stress test, it maintains the stability of up to 99.3%. In a gaming test like playing King of Glory for 30 minutes, you can expect an average frame rate of up to 118 FPS. This demonstrates that the phone is well suited for gaming and demanding tasks. The Genshin Impact, when played on high setting, the average frame rate reaches up to 57.4 FPS, showcasing impressive gaming performance. Overall, the IQOO Z8 offers a gaming performance like to flagship phones without noticeable lag. Now shifting to the battery and charging, the phone is equipped with the 5000 mAh battery and it comes with the 120-watt fast charger. This fast charger can charge the battery up to 47% in just 10 minutes and fully charge it in approximately 27 minutes. That's the incredibly fast charging. In battery test, after 2 hours of medium to heavy usage, the IQOO Z8 still remains the impressive 82% of battery life. Regarding the camera setup, the phone boasts a rear-facing dual camera setup. The main camera is a robust 64 megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization. You can check out the sample photos to get an idea of the IQOO Z8's camera performance.
Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I can change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave.
As for the pricing, the base variant in China start from 1699 Chini Yuan, roughly 190 pound in UK and 235 US dollars. In conclusion, the IQOO Z8 offers a superb performance, fast charging, above average camera capabilities, while there is a compromise with the LCD display. Considering its price, if it will be available in UK, it would be a strong contender for the gaming enthusiast. So guys, what feature do you like in the most about the IQOO Z8, and at what price point do you think it should be launched in UK? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.